Hi friends, in this video I'll give you the study plan for head and neck. This study plan is prepared for the first year MBBS students, which is useful for the preparation of their exams. The questions listed here are very important and repeatedly asked in examinations, so please try to study the questions listed here. Now we'll see the lesson plan. This is the lesson plan for entire 6 days for head and neck. On the day 1, first we'll see the essay questions. There are 4 essay questions. One is Skal, which is very important question. Next one is lacrimal apparatus. By studying this topic, lacrimal apparatus, it is asked for short answer also. And fascia coli, this is also important question. Sometimes it is asked for short answer. And this is the anterior triangle of the neck and its subdivisions. These 4 are important questions. Don't leave any question here. If you see the short answers for the first day, osteology. In this osteology, caput succedaneum, this is one of the clinical aspect, and pterion, and it's important. It's a shooting point. Structures passing through the ovale, jugular foramen, foramen lacerum, stylomastoid foramen, foramen rotundum, cecum, anterior and posterior ethmoidal canal, optical canal. All these foramens and the structures passing through it are very important. Structures passing through superior orbital fissure, which is divided into lateral, medial and middle part. This is very important question. So hyoid bone and its importance. Bones forming the hard palate. Which comes under, these are the subtopics comes under the first question. Next one is the facial artery, which is repeatedly asked in the question. So don't skip this question. Facial artery and action of masseter muscle and nerve supply. This is also important. Dangerous area of the face, digastric triangle. If we study this anterior triangle, we can cover this digastric triangle, carotid triangle, submental triangle and submandibular triangle. So these are the questions listed for the day 1. Next we'll see for the day 2. In the day 2, essay questions listed. 3 essay questions are there. One is the parotid gland. Next question is muscles of mastication. This is also important. And third one is maxillary artery. So first we prepare for the parotid gland. Next, muscles of mastication. After that, you can prepare for the maxillary artery. These 2 are very important questions. Parotid and the muscles of mastication. And if you see on the day 2, short answers. Carotid triangle, carotid sheath, sternocleidomastoid muscle. Sternocleidomastoid muscle is very important. Repeatedly we have seen in the question papers. Blood supply of the thyroid gland. External jugular vein is also very important. Parotid duct. This facial vein is also important. Bones forming for the nasal septum. External carotid artery and its branches. There are 8 branches are there. How this ansa cervicalis is formed. It is covered in the cervical plexus question. So all these listed 10 questions are very important, short answers. So don't skip these questions. Now we'll see the day 3. On day 3, TM joint. This is the expected question. TM joint. Next question is mandibular nerve. Next question is a submandibular salivary gland. All these are very important. So first study the TM joint and next submandibular salivary gland. And next you can study this mandibular nerve. We'll see the short answers on the day 3. Infratemporal fossa and its boundaries and contents. This is important. Posterior triangle of neck is also important. Styloid apparatus, scalene muscles, cervical plexus, palatine tonsil, Walder lymphatic ring, auditory tube is also very important question. Killian's dehiscus, little area of the nose. I want to tell one thing. Please don't skip any question in this study plan. Why? Because of all these are very important questions which are repeatedly asked in the examinations. So make a note for these questions. Now we'll see for the day 4. On the day 4, see the essay questions. Thyroid gland. It's a very important question. Next one is the suboccipital triangle. This is also very important essay question. After that, dura mater modifications. This is also very important. So first study the thyroid gland and next suboccipital triangle and then dura mater modifications. After that you can study the subclavian artery. Okay. These are the 4 questions for the day 4. Next, if we come this side, on the day 4 short answers are Ludwig's angina, Rice syndrome, cleavage lines of the skin in face, cleavage lines of skin in face. This is very important question. Previously it is asked in examinations. Layers of retina, this is also important. Tentorium cerebelli, piriform recess, also plan action of cricothyroid muscle, maxillary sciences, torticollis, different laryngeal. All these questions listed here are repeatedly they are asking in examinations. So please don't skip these questions. So next we'll see for the day 5. The day 5, we see the essay questions. First question is dural venous sinus. This is very important question. Cavernous sinus. How to list out this dural venous sinuses, paired and unpaired. In cavernous sinus, which is very important question. And pituitary gland, this is hypophysis cerebri. This is also important question. This is for day 5. If we see on the day 5, short answers. These are the questions. Medial wall of the middle ear, which is very important. This medial wall will form the lateral wall for the internal ear. Visual cord is also important. Hyoglossus, which is very important question, repeatedly asked in examinations. Extrinsic muscle of tongue, paranasal ear sciences. All these are important. We'll see for the day 6. Day 6, there are no short answers, only essay questions are there. Next one is extraocular muscles, origin, insertion. Oblique muscles are also important, which is asked for short answer in these extraocular muscles. Next, pharynx is an essay question, expected essay question. Don't forget to study this pharynx. Next, lateral wall of nose. This is very easy and important question. Next, 4th one is larynx. This is very important question. Next is the intrinsic muscles of larynx. These 2 topics comes under the same topic. Intrinsic muscles of larynx, it is very important. And tongue. Tongue is also very easy and important question. So if there is any time permits for you on the 6th day, please make a revision all these questions.
Thank you, friends. A lot of effort is involved in preparing these videos. A small subscribe from your side will motivate me to do more videos. Please do subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, please click on the subscribe button below the video.